Come to the kitchen with me and let's talk while I make sea moss gel for the first time. Don't be judging me either because we're all just figuring it out as we go. Okay, so don't judge. First, you'll need Irish sea moss, by the way, organic and raw. Irish is important. Don't let the people say you some Tallahassee sea moss. You need Irish sea moss. And get a bowl so we can rinse until the water is clear. Oh, and I'm soaking it in spring water. We're going to soak it overnight in the refrigerator. We're going to leave it in there for 24 hours. I had to do what I had to do to make sure that I took care of myself, my wellness being the goal. And even though I could have easily made excuses about how the sea moss tastes because I didn't like the texture, how it looked, any of that, I found a way because I wasn't going to miss out on the benefits of what I wanted. I put it in my coffee or my tea in the morning and it melts. I still get the benefits. Sometimes you have to just decide how bad you want it and what you want and what excuses, even the petty ones, are you making for not walking toward what you want. For me, though, it was like being fixated on the destination. That kept me stalled. I was so focused on the outcome. But I know for so many others, it may be you being afraid to take the next step.
You can turn the page now, or you can find your way out, or meet me halfway now.
Now, some people are just afraid of taking the next step, but the truth is, in both cases, it's a single step that begins our journey to what we want.
Believing is here, can't you see it? Please do not stop, it's the last call. What I'm trying to say is you can turn the page now, or you can find your way out, or meet me halfway now. It's the last call. What you need to see is everything you're dreaming. Pray, wish, and believing is here, can't you see it? Please do not stop, it's the last call.
Pause. Look at this. So this is more of a applesauce texture. I don't really care for that. So next time I'm going to blend it a little bit more. And then I think I'm going to use less water and add water as I go. I'm going to store these in jars. They last up to 3 weeks and I'm going to share with my family while I'm here. So it'll all work out. Make no more excuses for your health, your desires, your aspirations and dreams. Go all in and take the first step because every step brings you closer to what you're wanting.
What I'm trying to say is you can turn the page now, or you can find your way out, or meet me halfway